Okay guys, I had a request for some help on the division problem, so I'd like to walk you through one if I can. I'll try to make this video as good as I can. I'm trying to hold it and record it all at the same time. So, looking at my video, I know that I've got to divide 19,000 by 28. So, first thing I do is I say, can 28 go into 19? It can't. So that means I need to go over to the next digit, which makes 192. Okay, 28 is very close to 30, and I know that 3 times 6 is 18, so 30 times 6 would be 180. So I'm going to guess that 6 is going to be the very first one up there. I can do that by estimation if that helps me. Okay, so then I do 28 times 6. 6 times 8, 48. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12, add 4 to make 16. I'm going to take 168, subtract that from 192, which is going to give me 14. Okay, then I'm going to bring my next digit down, which is going to be 70, 88. Oh, sorry, it's going to be 24, not 14. Then I'm going to bring my next digit down, and it's going to be a 6. Okay, when I bring my 6 down, then I'm going to divide that by 28. So again, I can estimate 28 is close to 30. 3 times 8 is 24, so 30 times 8 would be 240. Okay, so I'm going to guess that I'm 8 here. I know my guesses are correct. Like before I had only 24 left over, and I'm dividing by 28. So as long as I get less than 28 left over, I know that what I have up here is correct. So let me do this now. So 8 times 28. I know that 6 times, well, let's do 8 times 28. 8 times, let's do 28 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2 is 16, add 6, which is 22. So if I subtract 224 from 246, I get 22. 22 is less than 28, so I know that 8 is correct because I have a number that's smaller than my divisor. Okay, so I'm ready to move on. Next step, I bring down my 1. So 6 times 8, 28 was 168. 8 times 28 is 224. I have 221, so I know that it's got to be between 6 and 8, which is going to be 7. Okay, again, I'm going to take 28, times it by 7, because that's the number that I just said. 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 2 is 14. Add my 5, I get 196. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take 221, subtract out 196. I got some scribbles in the way here. Okay, I'm 4 away from 200, so I'm going to take that 4, and I'm 21 above 200, and I'm going to add it to the 21, so which is going to give me 25. Now, when I get to my decimal goes up, and my number comes down. This time I have 252. Looking at what I've done in the past, 8 times 28 was 224. I have 221. No, it was 224. I have 252. So it looks to me like I can get one more time. So I'm going to put 9 up here. Okay, let's try 9. So 28 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 2 is 18, which is 252 exactly. Okay, because it's 252 exactly, I know that I'm finished. If I needed to continue onward, if it didn't go exact, what I would do is I would start adding zeros and I would continue there. You probably only need to go 1 or 2 decimal spots. That's fine for me. Let's just say 2. I believe all of these go exactly. Okay, answer I'm looking for on number 1 is 687.9. Okay guys, hope this helps. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.